the Discovery Awards, nominees for Science Champion.
Dr. Todd Hatchette is the Division of Medical Microbiology's Chief of Service for the Nova Scotia Health Authority and a professor in Dalhousie University's Pathology Department. Dr. Hatchette is a passionate advocate of knowledge translation for the public, using evidence-based information to arm people even when the topics are seemingly complex. He can distill information into a format easily understood by a diverse audience.
We live in an electronic age where Dr. Google is at your fingertips. And by trying to really distill down the important facts in a simple way allows me to ensure that people get the right message.
Dr. Hatchette also has a charming capacity to present uncomfortable topics in a clever and humorous fashion while still imparting key information. His reputation for straight talk and accessible messaging is broad, even leading to invitations for teaching sexual health to local junior high students. His expertise and involvement in pandemic planning and response has led to him being called to testify before the Senate Committee on Social Affairs, Science and Technology, which examined Canada's pandemic preparedness. Dr. Hatchette is also a productive researcher with over 200 peer-reviewed articles on various infectious diseases topics. He volunteers on several provincial committees that develop infection treatment guidelines for Nova Scotians. In his roles as clinical director of the QEII STD Clinic and recent appointment to the board of Halifax Sexual Health, his compassionate, down-to-earth, reassuring approach ensures that patients are at ease and well-informed during difficult conversations.
My career brings together all the best things possible for anybody who's interested in research.
Tina Kelly is the current board president of Techsploration, a non-profit organization with a mission to empower diverse young women to explore careers in science, technology, engineering, and trades.
I advise my students to be a part of the change they want to see in the world. And often one of the best ways to do that is modeling the way, becoming a role model.
Ms. Kelly not only promotes science, trades, and technology in her day job as academic chair for trades and technology at NSCC's IT campus, but also through her continuous volunteer work with several organizations. In 2012, she co-chaired the 14th Biennial CCW SETT Conference and Policy Forum, a conference that resulted in the development of new education, government, and industry partnerships in Nova Scotia and across Canada for women in science, engineering, trades, and technologies.
There's a piece there.
During her term as president of the Sackville Chamber of Commerce, Ms. Kelly supported the implementation of STEP, a skills technology program for high school students where technology was used to increase interest and inspire post-secondary education. Whether through her work with Techsploration or the many other organizations for which Tina volunteers countless hours,
Good job, thank you.
or in her role at the NSCC, Tina constantly and consistently strives to ensure that youth throughout Nova Scotia develop a real passion for science and technology and a genuine understanding of the importance of math and science in their lives.
Having the opportunity to experience programs like Techsploration, hopefully that will play through into the workforce of the future here in Nova Scotia.
Dr. Rob Thacker is a professor and Canada Research Chair in Computational Astrophysics at St. Mary's University's Department of Astronomy and Physics. Dr. Thacker is a passionate science communicator, speaker, and author. He is frequently called to explain complex science to the public in a readily understandable way and has taken part in dozens of media interviews and authored numerous print articles in the popular press over the years.
The world we live in is so complex. If we're not helping to educate the public, I feel people are awash in a sea of technology and things they don't understand.
In 2014, he was an invited lecturer 6 times, and his peers have continually recognized his contributions to astronomy and science outreach. He was a key driver behind the recent revitalization project for the St. Mary's Observatory, which led to the installation of the most powerful telescope in Atlantic Canada. He has served on government advisory panels that helped influence evidence-based policy decisions. For example, co-authoring a report from one such panel on the benefits of the 30-meter telescope to Canada. Closer to home, he has participated in discussions with the City of Halifax over light pollution. He played a pivotal role in enhancing St. Mary's relationship with the Halifax chapter of the Royal Astronomical Society of Canada when he served as chair of the SMU International Year of Astronomy Committee. It is unique to find a scientist who is as prolific and proficient in mainstream media as they are in scholarly mediums. But Dr. Thacker's contributions to both are exemplary.
The favorite part of my research is the aha eureka moment. It doesn't matter what I'm discovering, that moment of discovery is amazing no matter what it is.